Frick. Yes, the duffel of my face. Hey guys, so I'm going to be taking off the EVAP Canister, my 2006 TRD Sport. It's a 4-door with a super short box, 5 foot. So yeah, I couldn't find any videos on YouTube. Sorry for the awkward angle. I didn't think about this until I'd already crawled under here. But basically I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Maybe mention anything I have issues with. And yeah, I'm going to try and fix it. It's leaking, by the way, so I'm going to try and fix that. If you remove the spare tire, you can sit right here. Frick. Yes, the duffel of my face. Dang it. I mean, I'm 6'3", and you bang your head on stuff, but I don't know, you can fit. Alright, I'm going to edit this to make it look like I kind of know what I'm doing, because I don't. Kind of right above the muffler here is the culprit. The leaking canister. Also, you'll notice I got super lucky. Toyota just gave me a new frame. So my old one was rusted out. So kudos to Toyota. Yeah, so I'm going to start. I'm going to take off. There's a bolt here. And I believe there's one. Yeah, there's 2 bolts on the back here. I'm going to start and take those off, and then we'll figure out what's next. I removed this off of here. Just get it out of the way. Put it back in there, make sure you don't lose anything. Pull all this crap off. There's a few hoses on the other side as well. Give those a yank. Actually, I think those have little clamps on them. We'll get those from the other side. And then if you want to pull this guy off, I'm going to work on that. Just need both my hands. So that took a lot longer than it should have. It is off now, but I'm gonna at least let you know what I did. It's a pain in the butt, by the way. So this is where it was. There's 2 bolts on this end, so you just gotta take the nuts off. And then there's a bolt that goes through here. Those are these three fellas. So they go EC, and right there. Once you have those 3 out, the whole thing, you can lift it up and move it. It gives you a little more room to get things disconnected. You have to disconnect this plug, which is, you know, squeeze that, pull it out. It's a lot more difficult because it's behind some crap facing this way. But squeeze the top part where the wires go in really hard, and that'll let you disconnect it. There's also this one hose, which has this gaffer here. You gotta take off. And then this thing. Frick this thing. This was the hardest part of the whole thing. It's kind of like a garden hose fitting, sort of, except I don't really know how it works. There's plastic squares on either side. Maybe if someone knows or has a video of how to do that, let me know, because I pretty much had to just push those in. I think they both broke. Maybe. No, maybe not. And then, anyways, I pretty much just pried on it and reefed it around until that came off. So there was that, this hose, this fitting, or this electrical fitting, which I took it off of there to give myself some more play. And then there's this hose, which goes from the top of there down like that. So you pull this one off. I'll show you the end here. So that big hose I just showed you comes off of there. That pain electrical plug comes off of there. Small hose off of that, and that pain in the butt one that comes off the top of the fuel tank clips onto there. Also, while I was trying to get this off, I was prying on it. I accidentally snapped that. Now this Canadian is about $650 right now. So I'm gonna do a fix on that somehow. I'm not sure yet, but anyways, I'm gonna go leak check this because somewhere in here it is leaking. Yeah, I bought some stuff to fix that, but I gotta figure that out first. All right, so here's what we have now. I'm gonna be testing to see where it's leaking. So the big things you wanna know on this is where the fuel vapors come in. This is where everything comes out. So we're gonna be blowing in this hole, and we're gonna check to see if it comes out of here. And then we're gonna blow into this hole, plug this one, and see if air comes out. And if it does, try and find where it comes out, either by hearing it, feeling it, or maybe with soapy water, if it's really small. But the code said it was a large leak, so I don't think we're gonna need that, but we'll see. This piece off with that small hose that goes right there. I have not put that back on yet, so if you were like, hey, something's missing, yes, I know. Now, at this point, you basically play this thing like bagpipes. So, okay, I can feel air coming out of here. It smells kind of like gas. Not surprising. That's kind of what this thing's for. At this point, now that I know there's air coming out of there, there's not a lot, so it's definitely going somewhere else. Thumb over that. Oh, it's coming out like no. Oh, I found it. Yeah. Here, let me just clean it out in there a little bit first. Okay, so it wasn't kidding on the code when it said a large leak. So it looks like this has been stressed. There's been some like pulling on it or something. And this hole basically, part that holds the bolt in, is broken off. So I have some JB Weld plastic bonder, world's strongest bond. I'm gonna be, I'll just mix up some of that, load that around there. I'm gonna clean up this side a little bit better. Also, just fun fact, you saw my frame under there looking nice and brand new. The entire frame looked like this, all that right in the grain with the steel, everything. Like there was holes straight through the frame. So huge thanks to Toyota for you know, being so accommodating and everything. I was in shock when they told me they were going to replace the frame. I thought truck was done, but here we are doing the EVAP canister. So I'm going to do that, show you, get everything back put together, and I'm not going to bother putting it all on. You saw basically how it came off. It's going to be the same, but backwards. There you have it. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to bother showing how to put it back on. Hopefully that gives you a little bit to go off of. So, yeah. I don't know what else you guys might need. 12, I think 12 mil were the bolts. Yeah, anyways. In honor of all the Tacomas that didn't make it past the frame rest inspection, this video is dedicated to them. Peace out.